The spring equinox, the fourth of China's 24 solar terms, represents the equal division of day and night. The sun is directly above the equator on the day, resulting in equal lengths of day and night. People along the same longitude, regardless of their location, north or south, witness sunrise simultaneously. The period between the beginning of spring, Li Chun, and the beginning of summer, Li Xia, was considered the spring season in ancient China. The spring equinox falls in the middle of this period and beautifully divides the entire springtime. Equality is about harmony among all things. However, the true equality is never absolute or eternal. It's a cosmic harmony with a graceful interplay of rhythm and repose, and a sublime dance between transformation and steadfastness. The spring equinox distinctly separates warmth and chill, dryness and humidity. It also marks the beginning. After the equinox, the sun moves northward, resulting in longer days and shorter nights in the northern hemisphere. It seems that the transition from one state to another truly requires thorough separation. It's time to bid farewell and begin anew. Yet, the greatest charm of the spring equinox lies in its flow. All living things openly embrace the heavens and the earth at this moment, and flourish with vitality as they turn towards the sun. Since the spring equinox, spring sheds its shadows and hesitation. It bravely blossoms and fearlessly embraces love. Let's welcome the long-awaited sunlight with open arms during the spring equinox.